Hello there, guys. I've just found another social network which is decentralized. It's on the blockchain network. So it's decentralized, which means it is not centralized, which means that the content that you put out is not controlled by some central authority, like the way that Facebook is controlled by some central authority. And Facebook can decide whether they want to censor what you're doing or not. So this is what the network looks like. In fact, let me show you what it looks like right here. So this is what it looks like. And this is my home page for the platform, for the network. As you can see, this here is just my front page. And if I'm going to show you a little bit more, but just these are some of the posts that I've posted, and so far you can see I've got 4 views on this particular posting, which is just a couple of hours old. And then this one here from yesterday has got like 5 views already. And if you go down further, you've got the video. I'll put a video here, 11 views. And this here is also 11 views, as you can see. So there's a lot going on here. There's a lot going on. And I'm just going to show you the rest of it, which basically is, if I look at the news feed, it's basically, let me put this up here. Let me just put this up here. This is interesting. So I can also show myself there. And then I can decide what files to put right from there. This is an interesting application. Right, so that's the news feed. Some of the language here can be a little bit strong, but anyway, that's the censorship they are talking about. That this is not really a censored. Oh, I was accidentally pressed a button on the keyboard. So let's play that a little bit. Hello. Okay. So it's just an introduction, guys, and let me show you something else here. I've got the Minds crypto social network. Let me just make sure that I've actually got it working here. Okay, so let me do this. This is interesting because now I can shift to the Evernote. Now what you're seeing is the Evernote, and then I just go to Minds, and I'll show you the abstract. So we are an open source and decentralized social networking platform where users are rewarded with Minds tokens for contributions to the community. Our goal is to build a new model for content creators to take back their internet freedom, revenue, and social reach. So we want internet freedom, we want social reach, and we want to get paid for it. Okay, we contribute a lot to Facebook and nothing happens. Our money, the time that we use on Facebook is just squandered by Facebook. They make lots of money out of it and we get nothing. So there's a crisis occurring in the social networking world. Surveillance, algorithm, and manipulation and censorship are infecting the web at unprecedented levels. For the first time in history, millions of users, including myself, are abandoning traditional centralized social networks in favor of freedom-based alternatives. Alongside this mass migration, blockchain technology and other decentralized solutions are rapidly entering the mainstream. The fusion of crypto into social applications is both inevitable and essential to the continued healthy evolution of social media and the internet itself. The purpose of this paper is to provide an overview of Minds, blah, blah, blah. An ERC token. So a leader in this mass internet migration and free software movement, and to introduce the Minds token, an ERC20 utility token that will be issued on the Ethereum blockchain. In the Minds contribution economy, users and developers will be rewarded for a variety of contributions to the network, including generating high-quality content, account setup and verification, referring new users, maintaining an active channel, finding bugs, successfully submitting code, and more. Tokenized rewards provide the key incentive to help foster the growth and long-term sustainability of the network. Minds tokens will be immediately usable upon receipt on day one. They'll be required for use of the application through immediate integration into Boost, a transparent and blockchain-based ad network, and Wire, the Minds peer-to-peer payment system. Both Boost and Wire will leverage smart contracts to enable the autonomous exchange of digital media and services for crypto tokens, creating a radical shift in how social networking ecosystems and marketplaces operate in the 21st century. And then you've got the rest of the there's the introduction. I'm not going to go through that. You can download the white paper yourself. It's on the Minds network. And then you've got all of this. You can read all through that. This is showing the total wire transactions from August 2017 to December. It's going up. The Minds token. And then you've got the rest of it here, guys. You can read through that. Okay. Wow, there was nothing appearing here. So this is a problem. Let's see. So we should have actually put the Evernote. This is what I wanted you guys to see. So I'm just gonna scroll back a little bit so you can just see. This is what I was reading anyway. I was reading the abstract here, and it's gone away again. Okay, I'm gonna have to see how this works properly. So the rest of it is actually okay. So that's the. So let me just show you the rest of it. So the news feed. Oh, so that's the news feed. Okay, and that's Boost. Boosting guarantees. Blah blah. Right. So I'm not gonna do that now. Anyway, guys, thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video.